Do you know when you eat fruits and vegetables, you could possibly be eating pesticides, chemicals from fertilizer, or possible bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella? Even if you buy organic vegetables such as broccoli, there could be tiny bugs or bug eggs hiding inside the florets, or unwanted materials and dirt collected from farms to supermarket. Let me show you a few easy and natural ways to properly clean and remove these harmful things from your vegetables and fruits. I'm using broccoli as an example here. After a quick soak and rinse from running water. 1. Use salt. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt in 8 cups of water. Make sure salt is all resolved into water. Then push broccoli head down and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Salt is known for its disinfectant properties. Salt water also builds up the pressure inside the membranes of bacteria. Eventually, the oozing out water from inside the membrane shrinks and kills the bacterial cells. After soaking, the little pests and other unwanted residues will come out. Finally, rinse broccoli with fresh water before cooking. 2. Use vinegar. The rule of thumb is 1-to-3 ratio. Add 1 part of white vinegar to 3 parts of water. Vinegar is effective because it's acidic. Its acidity allows it to effectively remove dirt, wax, break down residues, also kill germs. Submerge broccoli and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse and done. 3. Use baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to every 2 cups of water. Swish the broccoli and water. To make sure baking soda is all resolved, soak for 10 to 15 minutes. According to FDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture and scientists, baking soda can effectively remove dirt, chemical, and other unwanted materials from fruits and vegetables. Rinse thoroughly and done. 4. Use flour and salt. Mix 2 or 3 tablespoons of flour into water. Flour adds more suction effects. It helps attach and absorb bugs and harmful materials faster than just using salt alone. Add salt. Make sure flour and salt are all resolved. Then soak broccoli for 5 to 10 minutes. After the soak, our broccoli looks much more fresh and cleaner. Finally, rinse thoroughly. Now we can be rest assured that our broccoli is so clean, healthy, and ready to go. A word of caution on the soft, delicate types of produces, such as strawberry, due to vinegar's acidic properties and baking soda's alkaline pH. If you use too much or soak for too long, it could damage the surface.